Hey guys, welcome back to Mix. My name is Sam, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy hairstyle for school on Lillian. Hey girls, you ready to get your hair done today?
No.
No, yes and no? Maybe so?
Maybe. No.
See you in our video.
No. See you.
So as many of you guys know, I am a nurse, which means I work early in the morning and I don't have time to do Lillian's hair before school. And this evening it was bedtime and I realized her hair wasn't done. So I tried to come up with this quick style that would be cute and would last. And I sectioned her hair in two big sections with a part straight down the middle. And then you see me sectioning off diagonal at the front of that first half into like a little, it's almost like a triangle part straight at the front. And I'm adding water and then the only gel I have right now, which is Big Papa by The Do. And then I'm just fastening it with my favorite hair ties, which are from Target. I'll link them in the description box. And as you can see, I always loosen it just a little bit so as not to have too much tension on her hair. And now I'm just making another part. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Just add water, add some gel, smooth it out. But this time I'm going to add the hair from the first ponytail into that second section. And I think something had got in her eye. I didn't even notice until I was watching this video, but she keeps rubbing her eye. Maybe it's just because she's ready for bed. It was late and it's time for her to go to bed. So I had to move quickly here. Now when I'm adding hair into my ponytail from the previous section, I like to loop my hair tie around a few times and then add that hair in and then tie it around again. And then I'm just gonna do the exact same thing to the last section in the back. Just smooth it out, fasten it, and as I'm securing that with my hair tie, I'm just gonna add that middle section of hair into it. So we've now got three sections kind of all going back to a ponytail in the back. So here you'll see me just doing the same thing on the other side. I try to line my parts up as best as I can when I'm like doing a mirror image of the other side so things can look the same. I do not know what got in her eye. I feel bad. I didn't even know it was bothering her, honestly. But I'm curious to know how many of you guys have to work early in the morning and what do you do? Like, do you style your daughter's hair the night before? Do you put it in styles that will last for the week? What do you do? Because I've tried to get my husband to do her hair and we must have a communication breakdown because it doesn't work. I asked him, she had her hair in a ponytail a couple days before this and she fell asleep and I was like, oh, can you just take a brush and smooth out her edges before she goes to school? And he heard, can you take a brush and smooth out her ends? And when I saw her that evening, I mean, it was beautiful, but he had brushed through her curls and her hair was so big. And she had went to school with her hair so big. She said, people kept commenting on my hair. And so anyways, I have to find a way to get her hair styled for school, but have it styled the night before. So please let me know if you have any suggestions other than doing stuff like this at the last minute. I'm open to hearing all of it. So now I'm just left with Lillian's pigtails in the back and they're puffy. They've been brushed through. Her hair is dry, but I'm just going to add some water and some of the Mousse Steph styling foam and scrunch them a little bit. And however her curls feel like acting, that's how they're going to be in these pigtails. I'm not going to go try too hard to get super defined curls. She's just going to go to school and run around and play anyways. So here is our final look. It was quick, easy, and achieved the goal of a cute hairstyle that's suitable for school that we got accomplished at bedtime without staying up too late. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know down in the comment section what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Bye bye. See you next time.